Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, this morning we're gonna make you a nice, lovely, simple breakfast where you can make at home. It's gonna be a flatter bread with egg. You know what I mean? This is how the flatter bread look. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to fry the egg, put the egg in it, sprinkle a little bit of cheese in it, fold it back, and put it inside of the underneath the grill for about 2 to 3 seconds. All right. So this is the way we're gonna start it today, guys. We got cheese and 2 flatter bread. As I said, this is the way the flatter bread stay. You can get the bread at local shop or supermarket to buy. Okay. Eggs, I have 2 eggs right here which I'm already cracked. And only thing I did, I removed the eye from my egg. Simple, I'm gonna pop a little bit of coarse pepper inside of it. And I'm not gonna be whistling my egg right straight away. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of Tabasco sauce, hot pepper sauce. This one is, you don't have to put that, just option. But if you like peppers in your egg, you can. Then I'm gonna beat my egg like this. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna fry the egg now, and we're gonna go further with this lovely breakfast. Nice. Medium size heat at the moment. My front pan is on the stove already. So what we're going to do is pop a little bit of olive oil inside of it, front pan like that, not too much oil. Then let the oil circulate around the front pan. Get that nice lovely egg which you just beaten. And we're gonna make that fry for about 3 to 4 seconds on a medium size heat. So as you can see, the egg is frying right here. And all I'm going to do is turn over my egg. And next, I'm gonna simply use this and just cut this into half. Because remember, we got 2 of them. Alright. Does that look lovely and nice? Yes, really nice. Alright. Then now the egg is finished. Because you don't wanna burn up your egg. So as you can see, let's turn over to the other side. Nice and lovely. So the egg is finished. Turn off your stove. Then we're gonna go to part 2 now, part 3. Nice. So get your bread, open your bread like this. Let's simply put a little bit of cheese on the bottom of the bread, not too much. Then next, get your egg and simple fold the egg like this. And a little bit of cheese on top of it. Then fold it over like this. Just to get the next one, you guys can see. You can put the cheese anywhere you like. Nice one. Fold it over just like that. As you can see, is that looking lovely and nice? Very easy and simple recipe for breakfast in the morning. Then get your grill. And also, if you got foil, you can put a piece of foil on it like that. Then we're gonna just simple put it down like this on the grill, and like this, and put it underneath the grill for about 3 to 4 seconds. All right, lovely, nice and lovely. So I just take it from the oven, and this is the way it look, in lovely and nice. Look at this beautiful recipe, and you can have this in the morning for breakfast. That's the beauty with this thing, guys. And you can have it for your lunch. So guys, it's just something very easy and simple for the fans them, and you can make this at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below, guys. As you can see, really nice and lovely. And as I say, you can get this flatter bread at the local shop, or you can use pita bread. You can use the same thing, pizza bread, and make one like the same thing at home, guys. It's just amazing recipe, and hopefully we like that one. As you can see, enjoy and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Breakfast in the Morning. Bye bye.